Hey guys, it's Dan Giles. I am going to finish the book maybe. I'm not sure yet, but I don't know. If there's any books, just comment them down below. I might do Dogman. I'm more into like comic book, like not comic books, but like books like Catward that are like comic book chapter books, like Dogman or just books like that. I'm even fine with reading kids books, but I am gonna finish. Ow, that hurt for some reason. Surprise. Okay. Catword, I have a surprise. Guess what it is? Guess what it is? I really don't want to do this. Just guess. Ding. Ooh. I don't know. I'm just gonna give out one TikTok. Roping boy. But if it don't come up, then try Thanos Giles. I give up. I got a tattoo. Really? Yep. Can I see it? You sure can. Well, where is it? It's right here. I put it on my face, put on my back. Why would you do something like that? He got his face tattooed on the back. I would just be hard to draw. But I will probably do a bunch of giveaways. I'm also gonna do Lego videos, not just reading books. And if you know how many cat words there are, I would like to know. I just want to know. And I might do frog videos and fishing videos. And roving videos. My channel's just going to be a mess. Bunch of different stuff, but it's mainly going to be books, reading, and Legos. So I can see my happy smiley face grinning at me. You coming or going? I got tattooed on your favorite chair, and I tattooed on your lunch. I don't even know what I'm doing. I might do like a Q&A one day. So, I have an Instagram and Snapchat, but I don't use them often. I will make sure to notice it on TikTok that I have a channel. And single one of your teeth. No! I think it was either a nightmare. I don't know. I've read this a long time ago. I've had this book for a few. What's like this year? I'd also do hunting videos. Catward, wake up. You're having a nightmare. But it felt so real. Oh, man. It was awful. Well, it's over now, so don't worry about it, bestie. And I did something you're really going to be happy about. What is it? Oh my god, it's tattooed on his butt cheek. One of these has a button in it. I know it. I don't know what I'm doing. That is Minecraft, and it does say while I'm up there. I don't know. And that is a Star Wars. I don't know what I'm even doing. So, next one's called Hero. Cry on a minute. What are you doing? I'm a crime-fighting hero now. Okay, then let's hear your original story. On some, I might just read and not show you the pages. I don't know. Well, I thought about being one of those mysterious and angry heroes of the night, but my bedtime is too early for that. I considered getting bitten by a radioactive bug, but I'm afraid I might be one of those dumb bugs that just crawl around on dog poop. And I could have been one of those guys who are big and strong, and he gets angry. But because of getting big and strong would make me feel so happy that I would just shrink again. So what superpower do you have? Well, whenever I see a criminal getting ready to steal something, I just go ahead and buy it for them. Boy! I also do Funko Popping videos. I collect them. The best way to fight crime is to make it sure it never happens. Boing! I just said boing, but he was like... Was that powered by his fart? Like, dude. Legend is what the next chapter is called. Catward, come quick. The most amazingly amazing creature you've ever seen. Let me tell you, it's a legend. Yeah, I think that's called a rainbow. I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just reading books. Unicorn has, are the most beautiful living things in the world. And magical fairies and most magical. Such a beautiful legend. Legends tell us of tiny creatures with pointy horns of a unicorn and the lovely wings of a fairy. There's stuff on my book. I'll have to scratch it off. A story you entered might like this. If you ever very, very lucky, might have one land on you and kiss you with his horn. Fairy unicorn. Wait a second. Those aren't fairy unicorns. Zach. Oh no. Give me a second, I dropped it. They're mosquitoes, you idiot. So many horn kisses. Burp. I can burp on command. That's pretty cool. Burp. Now that was a good burp. Oh yeah. Warm, 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 warm. Oh yeah. Warm, 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 warm. What are you listening to? Oh, nothing. This is just pastry. I really like pastries. What? He's like warm. Yep. Rain. Oh man, I hate rain. Blurp always says a little rain ain't hurt nobody. At the end, you get a pretty rainbow. And if you're following along, check out my last video and should have stopped on 49. In this video, we're finishing up the book. You should be on 75. We should have read. We should be on 76 now. Hey, well, look at that. I guess he was right. A little rain ain't hurt nobody. Crap. I guess a rainbow does. Good enough for our enemies. Chuck a rainbow at them. The cold. The cold. Oh, Catward, what's wrong with me? You caught a cold. It's no big deal. You had the sniffles and crashed by a little virus. A virus? Well, exactly where is the little virus? Inside you. Inside me! Like I am Mommy, and I think I call her Sniffles. No, not like that. It's not all like that. Slap. I promise you, Sniffles, that I'll be your best mommy in the world to you. Blurp. It's a cold. You're not a mommy. Don't you dare talk back to a mommy. I'm so excited to finish the book. Okay, actually, the book stops at 113. It's just like the preview of the next book. Get back to work. What possibly makes you think that you could be a mommy? Okay, well, you did learn how to knit pretty fast. A few more things. Everything should be perfectly clean for the babies, even though they like to throw up on themselves and sit around in dirty diapers. But we can have everything sharp she could hurt herself with, or stuff she could accidentally swallow, like gum or dynamite. Dynamite. It's dynamite. I don't know why people haven't even banned my account yet. Because I am crazy. I got double chin and double chin and double chin and double chin, double chin. Okay, back to work. And I don't want her to see like anything too scary like zombie movies or my grandpa's giant underpants. Giant underpants. And also, I just want to make sure that they pass asleep. One good long sleep later. Hey, Cat, I'm gonna sit up so you guys can see. Wee! one long sleep later. Hey, Catward, my cold is gone. Hey, Catward, my cold is gone. Wah! Bark stopped. I got an email from Sniffles. She said she was inflicting at really important people right now. But she will come back and visit as soon as she can. I'm so proud of her. Storming. Dang. I was gonna go out into my field outside and build a fort out of wood. Not today. We have her adorable baby pictures to look at when we miss her. Baby pictures. Those are old Kleenexes. They grow up so fast, don't they? Happy Mother's Day. Love, your virus. Oh, it's my virus. Wait, no. I never want to get a virus. Please social distance and use mask. Jack, squeak. Catward, come and look at my jolly jack-o'-lantern. Look, I drew a big happy face to it to cut out. Now let's see how long he feels happy. After you stick a knife in his face. Wait, okay, right there. Next page, gruesome. After you stick a knife in his face. Ah! Hey, why isn't your pumpkin cries? Shh, don't tell her. I don't want to upset him again. What? That glare. I don't even know where that glare is coming from. The window. Ooh. Here'd be a good place to take Instagram pictures. That light. This video is going to be a little bit longer. We've already hit 17 minutes. The other one just 17. But it shouldn't take too much longer. Oh man. My computer isn't working. Why do things like this happen to me? Ah! Boop. It's called lemons. There, don't be upset. You know what they always say, when life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. What does that even mean? Well, when things are sour, when things go sour, you know, like lemons, you should make the best of it. That's like so true though. So true. Look for me to make lemonade. Life could also give me water, sugar, a pitcher, and ice. And I would need a knife to cut the lemon and a spoon to squirt it out. Life has to give you a lot more than just lemon to make lemonade. I'm on it, bestie. Besides, how are you gonna how is lemonade gonna fix any computer? The book's almost over. Who would ever think that might help? Who would ever think that might help? That is like dumping lemonade on a computer for it to fix. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Next one's called Skull. La 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 la. A skull, yay. Did you just say yay about finding a skull? What do you know about skulls? Right? Why would you be happy about finding a skull on the ground? Because I am used. It must be Halloween. That's crazy. Well, what do you assume? That's my skull? Wait, what? What? I don't know. There. Hey, cat word. What? Let's play truth or dare. Okay, I'll go for it. You go first. Truth or dare? Dare. I dare you to stop playing this stupid game and never bring it up again. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm winning. I'm still winning. That'd be stupid but funny. Smile blurp is always so happy. Maybe I should try smiling more. Nah. Dude, never. I still don't think that's enough smile. Catward, what happened? I smelled your order and I accidentally turned myself inside out. I'll have to spend the rest of my life as nothing but a giant peppermint green. Oh, I can't. You're so lucky. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. This book is confusing me. What about you? Leave a like if it's confusing you. I'll stay with you every minute until your beautiful smile bright. I'll carry you around like a tiny baby. I'll dress you up in matching sailor suits. Pop! Thanks, Blurt. You always know exactly how to put a smile off my face. Teach me how to be a peppermint inside out gross green thing. Gross green. That was the last page. I'm gonna sign off. Peace, Ethan Giles.